Welcome to Emily's Wild Cooking Adventure. Watch as she tries to make the perfect dinner, but things get super funny. Let's learn English together. The excited plan, chatting with best friend.
Oh, Alex, I'm so excited about this romantic dinner I'm planning for my boyfriend tonight.
That sounds great, Emily. What are you going to cook for him?
I want to make a fancy pasta dish with tomato sauce and some garlic bread on the side.
Pasta's a good choice. Do you have all the ingredients ready at home?
Not yet, but I'll go shopping soon. I need tomatoes, pasta, and cheese. I hope I don't mess it up like last time with the burnt cookies.
Don't worry, you'll do fine. Just follow a simple recipe step by step.
Yeah, I found an easy one online. It says to boil the pasta first.
Good plan. What about dessert? Maybe something sweet like chocolate cake?
Ooh, chocolate cake sounds yummy, but baking might be too hard for me.
You could buy one from the store to save time and avoid trouble.
That's a smart idea, Alex. I don't want to risk another kitchen disaster.
Remember when you tried baking and the oven smoked?
Shh, don't remind me. That was so embarrassing, but funny now.
Exactly. This time, keep it simple and you'll impress him for sure.
Thanks for the advice. I feel more confident already.
Anytime, Emily. Call me if you need help during the cooking.
I might just do that. Wish me luck on my shopping trip.
Good luck. Can't wait to hear how it turns out tomorrow.
Me too. Fingers crossed everything goes smoothly.
It will. You're gonna nail this romantic dinner.
Aw, thanks, Alex. You're the best friend ever.
Shopping gone slightly wrong, bargaining with store clerk.
Hi, Ben. I am looking for fresh tomatoes for my pasta sauce tonight.
Sure, we have some right here. These are ripe and juicy.
Great. I'll take 5. How much do they cost per pound?
They're $2 per pound today. Good deal, right?
Oh, that's a bit pricey. Can I get a discount maybe?
Sorry, no discounts on produce, but they're organic and worth it.
Organic? What does that mean exactly, Ben?
It means grown without chemicals, so healthier for you.
Ah, I see. Okay, I'll take them anyway for my special dinner.
Special dinner. Sounds fun. What else do you need?
Pasta noodles and some garlic. Where can I find those?
Aisle 3 for pasta, and garlic is next to onions here.
Thanks. Oops, I grabbed the wrong cheese. This is cheddar, not Parmesan.
Easy mistake. Parmesan is over there on the dairy shelf.
Phew, glad I checked. I almost ruined my recipe already.
No worries. Happens to everyone, even experienced shoppers.
Now, about the bread. Do you have fresh garlic bread?
We do, but it's sold out. Try plain bread and add garlic yourself.
Good idea. I'll do that to save money too.
Smart thinking. Your total comes to $15.
Here you go. Thanks for all the help, Ben.
You're welcome. Enjoy your cooking adventure.
I will. Hope it doesn't turn into a mess.
The kitchen chaos begins, getting tips from neighbor.
Charlie, thanks for coming over. This kitchen is already a mess.
No problem, Emily. What's the trouble with your cooking?
I'm trying to chop these onions, but they're making me cry.
Haha, that's normal. Try chopping underwater to stop tears.
Underwater? That sounds weird, but I'll give it a try.
It works. Now, what are you making with all this?
Pasta with tomato sauce, but the recipe is confusing me.
Let me see. First, boil water for the pasta noodles.
Okay, got it. How long should I boil them?
About 10 minutes until they're soft but not mushy.
Mushy? What does that word mean in cooking?
It means too soft and falling apart, like overcooked.
Ah, thanks. I don't want mushy pasta for dinner.
Next, heat the sauce in a pan on low flame.
Low flame. Got it. Oops, I spilled the garlic everywhere.
Careful. Just sweep it up and continue.
This is chaotic already. Why is cooking so hard?
Practice makes perfect. You'll get better soon.
I hope so. Can you stay and watch me stir?
Sure. Add salt to the boiling water now.
Done. Smells good already, doesn't it?
Yes, keep going. You're doing great so far.
Thanks, Charlie. Your tips are saving me.
The fire alarm incident. Panicking with firefighter.
Oh no, David! The pan caught fire while I was stirring.
Stay calm, Emily. I'm here to put it out quickly.
How did this happen? I just turned away for a second.
Probably the oil got too hot. Always watch the stove.
I will from now on. Is the kitchen ruined?
No, it's just a small fire. I'll extinguish it now.
Extinguish? Does that mean put out the fire?
Yes, exactly. Step back while I use this phone.
Okay. Whew, the alarm is so loud. Beep, beep.
It's for safety. Better safe than sorry, right?
Absolutely. Thanks for coming so fast, David.
My job. Now let's open windows to clear the smoke.
Good idea. I feel so silly for this mistake.
Happens to beginners. Learn from it and move on.
I will. Can you check if anything else is burning?
All clear now. Your pasta looks salvageable too.
Salvageable. What does that word mean here?
It means it can still be saved and used.
Great. What a relief after the panic.
Stay safe next time. Call if you need more help.
I promise. You're a hero, David.
Just doing my duty. Take care.
Thanks again. Whew, that was close.
The creative fixes. Brainstorming with brother.
Ethan, look at this burnt garlic bread. What can I do?
Let's think creatively. Scrape off the black parts first.
Okay, scraping now. It still smells a bit smoky.
Add extra cheese on top to cover the taste.
Cheese fix. Sounds yummy. Will that work?
Sure, melts and hides the burnt flavor nicely.
Great. Now, this sauce is too watery. Help.
Thicken it with some flour mixed in water.
Thicken? Like make it less runny?
Yes, exactly. Stir slowly to avoid lumps.
No lumps. Got it. Oops. I dropped the spoon. Clang.
Ha pick it up. You're full of surprises today.
This dinner is becoming an adventure, not romance.
That's okay. Creative fixes make it unique.
True. What about the overcooked pasta? It's sticky.
Rinse it under cold water to separate strands.
Rinse? Just wash it quickly?
Yep, then reheat with sauce. Problem solved.
You're a genius, Ethan. Thanks for the ideas.
Anytime, sis. Let's taste test now.
Better. Haha, not perfect, but edible.
Edible is good enough for tonight.
Absolutely. Crisis averted with your help.
The grand presentation. Serving to boyfriend.
Frank, welcome. Here's my special pasta dinner for you.
Wow, Emily, this looks amazing. You did all this?
Yes, with the few adventures along the way. Dig in.
Smells delicious. Tell me about the adventures.
Well, shopping was fun, but then the kitchen chaos started.
Chaos? Like what? Did something go wrong?
Haha, a little fire, but I fixed it creatively.
A fire? Are you okay? That sounds scary.
I'm fine now. The firefighter helped put it out.
Phew, glad. This pasta tastes great despite everything.
Really? Even with the slight smoky flavor?
Yes, adds character. You're so thoughtful for this.
Aw, thanks. I wanted to impress you tonight.
You did. The garlic bread is crunchy too.
Crunchy from my fixes, haha, not burnt anymore.
Perfect. What's for dessert? Chocolate cake?
Store-bought to be safe, no more risks.
Smart choice. This is the best surprise ever.
I'm happy you like it. More sauce?
Yes, please. You're an awesome cook, Emily.
Not yet, but getting there with practice.
Cheers to that. I love you for trying.
Love you too, haha, what a night.
The honest reaction and laughing it off, reflecting with cousin.
Grace, Frank said he liked the dinner, but was he honest? Probably, but tell me the real story behind it. It was a disaster. Shopping wrong, fire alarm, everything. Fire alarm? That sounds hilarious now. It wasn't then. I cried a bit, but laughed later. Typical you. What was his real reaction to the food? He ate it all, but admitted the smoky taste. Honest feedback is good. At least he appreciated the effort. True, we ended up laughing about the chaos. That's the best part. Lessons learned for next time. Yeah, like watch the stove and buy simpler things. Exactly. You're brave for trying something new. Thanks. It was fun despite the messes. Imagining you with a firefighter, so funny. Shh, don't tease, but yeah, memorable night. Share the recipe? I might try it safer. Sure, but skip the fire part. Deal. You did great overall, Emily. Aw, thanks, cousin. Let's plan a real cooking class soon. Yes, no disasters next time. Fingers crossed. What an adventure. Totally. Proud of you for laughing it off.
And that's Emily's funny cooking story, full of laughs and lessons. Keep practicing English and try your own adventures.